Artificial intelligence is the future. But it's a coin with two faces. A good one. And an evil one. Both feeding on your personal data. Generated by your browsing habits. Your cookies. This is how you attract on the internet. Your identity is served on a silver platter, while you remain completely powerless. They know everything you know, what you like, and what you do. And it's never enough. Without ethical principles, your privacy is endangered. This is why, at UNESCO, we are committed to defend your rights. To do so, we created the Cookie Factory. It's a browser extension that will feed other AI with fake data. With keywords and web searches, an AI will generate new cookies on your computer to lure tracking algorithms into thinking you're somebody else. All your cookies, browsing habits and history will be replaced. So you can see how much they know about you. With the Cookie Factory, become anyone you want by picking any identity of your choice. You can even create your own personal cookie recipe and roast the system on your own terms. Download the Cookie Factory extension and take a bite of freedom.